Hello once again, this is James. Welcome to my Microsoft's PowerPoint videos. Today we are going to look at the slide master. The slide master is the slide which appears at the top inside the slide master view that controls all information about the theme, the layout, the background, color, fonts, and positioning of all slides. Using the slide master is an easy way to adjust or make changes to all your slides in a presentation quite conveniently and very fast, thereby saving you a lot of time when you try to do your presentation. Let us see how this happens. We are going to try out an empty presentation. For example, this presentation is quite blank, so we are going to go to View. We go to Slide Master, as you see it here. So when you go to Slide Master, try to put on the zoom so that members can see it clearly. So we go to View, we come to our Slide Master, click there. So this top slide is the Slide Master, the first one on top there. So here you can set the preferences you want. For example, to the title, you could say we want it to be with a shadow effect. You could also try to give it that color. Can give it a font, for example. Can say let's give it Cambria. So I can decide to give this placeholder a formatting effect. For example, we could try to make it black, and we could decide to also give a certain theme or color to this area down here. Let's say we could try to give it a shape fill. Maybe let us choose this. We go back to shape fill. Let's give it this, and we could decide to give this certain size of font, maybe 32, and it can also be in color green. So we have made adjustments to our font. We can decide to put something. We can try to adjust, so and simply take it away if we don't need it. Can make this capital. So once that is done, supposing this is what you want for our slide master, we can save. Then we can go back to let's try to zoom out. So we've said something like this. If we want all our slides to appear in this form, we can go back to View. This time round you go back to Normal View. So when you go back to Normal View, notice that all my slides have been affected in the same way. If I try to zoom it out, so when you try to change the slides here, you'll notice that they've all attained that format without me necessarily trying to change each slide to that formatting. So basically that is what the slide master does. You can do a lot more formatting on your slide master option, which we said we go to View, then we go to Slide Master, then you can go on and change what you want. You can even insert a picture somewhere, which picture can be relayed on all the slides, as we can see. For example, I could go and get a picture. Let's say it's PowerPoint. You get the PowerPoint icon. You bring it here. We can resize it. Hope we are on our master slide, so we can resize it to something smaller. We can try to put it somewhere around here. So we can save the changes, go back to view, then we come back to normal view, and you notice that on each slide which we have, there is that icon of Microsoft PowerPoint. Though it wasn't pretty scaled out well to appear in the slides properly, which no worries, you can go back still and try to fix it on your master slide. Maybe we can try to put it here, for example, and we save. You go back to view, normal view. Oh, now on some slides it has gone at the back. We might want to bring it in front. So all these changes you can do on your slide master. So when you go back there, you can say, you can right click it and you say bring to front. So let's try to save and we see if this actually works. So we go back to normal, and is it working? Still at the back. So depending now on the adjustments you've made, the slide master will make the work appear in different ways. So if I can take it back, I can resize this. Maybe I decrease the font a little bit, maybe to 36, so that it can fit. Then I bring it up there. Try to save. Then we go back to view, normal view. I think now our icon is properly pressed. If we change between the slides, you'll notice that it's quite organized. So that is how a brief peek of how the slide master works, and try to use it to modify your presentation, and it's quite convenient and makes the work very fast for you as you try to design your presentation. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.